eso, te ves como travieso, quiero probar tu beso.
So as you saw there, that intro was filmed using the Antigravity A1 drone, and in this video we're going to be showing you how we flew the drone, but more importantly how we edited the footage in Antigravity Studio. Let's get straight into it. Now the drone's flying was nothing special, in fact anybody can do it. The Antigravity drone makes it super easy. Watching the footage back from my perspective in the drone's goggles makes me realise just how easy this drone is to fly. In fact, I only have 1 hour of flight time on this drone, and if you watched my first video with the Antigravity drone, you know I didn't have a clue what I was doing. Now where does this plug in? I can't find where to plug in the power. How do I record? Why is that so foggy? I can't find the freaking stick. Oh, there it is. Right, okay. I finally got it down and I simply mapped out a flight path that I knew would be very safe with no risk. The drone's flight was planned to take full advantage of the Antigravity's 360 camera, knowing that the key to making this flight look much more exciting and dramatic would come in the editing phase. So I've taken the drone's footage and loaded it up into the Antigravity Studio, and now the key to making any footage look more awesome is by reframing the drone's 360 camera at set points. Now I know I want the footage to start looking straight down, so I simply reframe the footage and set a keyframe. Now as we enter this disused quarry, I know I want the camera to level out, so I simply reframe the footage and again add a keyframe. And now when we play the footage back, we get this really nice smooth transition between our two keyframes. Now because I want the drone to appear to be looping as we enter the quarry, I'm going to select that second keyframe again, and by rotating our horizontal position a full 360 degrees, we've added in a simple loop. It's super easy. We'll take the footage back to the beginning and you'll see how that loop has been added, noticing again how smooth the transition is between our two keyframes. Again, it's super easy and only takes seconds to apply. I'm going to continue through the footage, adding keyframes at set points where I want the drone's camera to be reframed. I can add tilt, pan and roll where I see fit. Remembering we can always go back to our keyframes and readjust. Now here's a couple of pointers that will help you out. Keep the footage smooth and flowing. Try to add natural movement to the drone's flight. If tilting the camera in one direction feels awkward, try the opposite direction. And remember, there's no such thing as doing it wrong. Do what you feel is right. So there you go, that's how you take your Antigravity drones footage and make it look absolutely awesome. Simply by adding them keyframes at set points during your footage and reframing the 360 camera, your footage can also look epic. Now I did go back over my footage and readjust all them keyframes to make it look super smooth, but let me show you the final results once more.
Quiero probar tu beso. Love you. Qué rico.
If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel.